Checking MSP status. Hello viewers, today we're going to learn how to check MSP status. So let's get started. First, visit the MSP account confirmation page. Here, fill out the short form that takes about 1 to 2 minutes. In the form, you have to provide personal health number, date of birth, and account address. Then submit the form to receive a coverage confirmation letter that shows your MSP coverage status, effective end dates, enrollment status, and BC service card status. You can also contact health insurance. You can request MSP status through phone or mail. Suitable if you prefer direct help or have account issues. You have another option, and that is in person. Visit any service BC center for MSP inquiries and support. If you are studying outside BC, contact Health Insurance BC before leaving the province. Notify them again when you return. This helps confirm continued eligibility. And that's all. That's how you will be able to check your MSP status.